Hello student, welcome to the SNG online classes. Today we discuss about the first topic of class 10 science. The topic name is food and human health. Before started the lesson, in previous classes you study about nutrient and you all know what is nutrient. Guys, the nutrient are those substance which is present in food. There are many types of nutrient like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, fat, etc. etc. In this topic, we study about how nutrient and malnutrition are work in human body. The malnutrition is shortage of any one nutrient for a long time is called malnutrition. It means shortage of any one nutrient like shortage of vitamin, shortage of protein, shortage of carbohydrate. There are many types of malnutrition. Today we discuss the first type of malnutrition, and the first type of malnutrition is vitamin malnutrition. It is most important for board exam. Vitamin malnutrition is due to the shortage of any vitamin in our body. Therefore many diseases occur in our body. Such are as follows. In this table we write name of vitamin and their disease, and most important topic for exam, because 1 marks question in every year put here. Text from here. First one, what vitamin works, we write in this table. First vitamin is vitamin A, and you know about this vitamin in previous classes. First vitamin is vitamin A, and the disease occurs due to shortage of vitamin A is night blindness. Clear, guys? The second vitamin name is known as thiamine and is also known as vitamin B1, and disease occurred due to vitamin B1 is known as beriberi. The third one is riboflavin. Riboflavin is also known as vitamin B2, and the disease occurred due to vitamin B2 is riboflavinosis. The fourth one is most important because it is known as niacin and also called vitamin B3, and disease occurred due to vitamin B3 is known as pellagra. Now the fifth one is ascorbic acid, and it is also known as vitamin C, and disease occurred due to vitamin C is scurvy. The last one is calciferol. Calciferol is also known as vitamin D, and the disease occurred due to vitamin D is known as rickets. So guys, this is the first type of malnutrition. Write down this whole thing in your notebook. The next type of malnutrition we study in our next class. Thank you, guys.